Hey now, I'm Chris, one of the transmission product managers here at Sonnax. Today I have a very important message for you about the 10L1000 and Gen 2 10L60, 80, 90 transmissions. We have a solution to the GM momentary wheel lockup recall causing so many issues in the market today. It's a drop-in feed limit low valve kit that makes it easy to repair the valve body and prevent future wear. The OE valve is a critical failure point in these 10 speeds, and why GM issued safety recall N242480630. There have been a lot of reports of vehicles needing service around 30,000 miles due to a very drastic and sudden downshift from higher gears to second gear. It's a serious issue that can lead to increased risk of crashing. There may be other symptoms like harsh shifts, momentary wheel lockup, burnt clutches, and clutch failure. There's also trouble code P0747, which basically lets you know that the E-clutch is on when it should be off. What's frustrating is that some of these issues may disappear when the vehicle cools down after being shut off for a while, only to reappear again after it's driven and the transmission warms back up. That is a lot of issues tied to one critical part, and it turns out the component to blame is the OE feed limit low valve. It's subject to significant side load force. This causes severe wear that leads to pressure loss to the default disable solenoid and connected control valves. If you want to learn more about this, we have a great tech article on this entire topic. GM's recommended solution is a software update that monitors valve performance and detects excess wear before a wheel lockup condition can occur. When things get to this point, a service engine light comes on and the transmission goes into limp mode, limiting it to fifth gear, if possible, to avoid the drastic downshift. Unless you can service the failed valve, the only way to address the problem is by replacing the entire valve body. A new one from OE is expensive and can take weeks or months to come in. For drivers, that's a long time to be without a vehicle, and for rebuilders, that's a long time to be waiting on parts. The good news? Repairs can be made quickly and effectively by installing Sonnax Feed Limit Low Valve Kit 105740-54K. No need to have vehicles just sitting for weeks in the shop, waiting for a whole new valve body. You can service them immediately. That's great peace of mind for both drivers and rebuilders. Everything about our kit is focused on preventing the wear that leads to transmission failure. The patented valve and sleeve combination is an improved design that overcomes bore wear and significantly reduces side loading of the valve. For extra durability, the aluminum valve gets our standard hard-coat anodizing, and the sleeve is also wear resistant. This is a drop-in kit, so installation is easy, no reaming required. The only extra step is to drill out the separator plate balance orifice and peen in a rivet. The drill bit and the rivet are both included in the kit. This simple plate modification combined with our improved parts restores proper valve function and protects against future wear. That means vehicles can get back on the road fast with no worries about comebacks. If you're wondering about vacuum testing, that can be done before and after a repair. Test at the balance end of the valve. This location typically wears the most. Even if it tests okay though, we know that this valve is a huge problem. It's why GM issued their recall, so you can't go wrong by replacing the OE parts. After the Sonnax kit is installed, it should vacuum test at a minimum of 18 inches. You can find step-by-step instructions for installation, testing, and more at sonnax.com. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about the valve kit or suggestions for other new parts, feel free to contact our product support team. We always appreciate the feedback. Make sure to follow us on Facebook and sign up for our email to get the latest on new Sonnax products.